Should you run a video ad or a photo ad on Facebook, and which one is going to get you the highest amount of conversions so you can hit that ROAS goal you want to be able to scale spend? I get this question a lot, and it's a really difficult answer to basically give you in that sense. And that's because there's a lot of different data points that need to be taken into consideration when you decide, hey, should I do a video ad or a photo ad? So first off, I want to give y'all just a example, right? And I'll let you kind of guys think about this, because we just recently had this in one of our accounts where, we really need to show some proof that this product or what this product can do, and a video or a photo wasn't really working well. And a couple of videos we attempted to do this just didn't really work well until we really dug deeper into like really getting that perfect shot. The money shot is what they call it in Hollywood, and that money shot allowed us to find a new winning ad, and it's tremendously helped out with consistent results inside of this ad account now for this particular client. Now let's go back to the scenario there where we just didn't have the right footage. We had the right desire, we had the right market awareness, the right market sophistication hook. We just didn't have the right footage. Now I want you to kind of think about this. Imagine if I was selling phone cases, right? I don't use a phone case, but probably should, because I got some cracks and stuff, but I don't use a phone case. But imagine if I was, maybe I would have started off with Nick's phone cases, and I wanted to make it a superior product. So I went after the, just the toughness for it. So I focused on the toughness of this phone case. And if I wanted to showcase this as a winning product, I'd make sure to make it like the toughest phone case, for example. So I want you to just think right now, imagine if I showcased a phone case and just put literally a headline next to it, the toughest phone case. That's it. Just imagine that. Just a simple graphic, phone case, the world's strongest phone case. Boom. Now, I want you to think about it from this perspective. Imagine if I use that same hook, the world's toughest phone case, and then I showcase this phone case being dropped from like a 100-foot, 200-foot like building or something like that. It hit the ground, and then I just pick it up and say, the world's toughest phone case, or like showcasing how there's no cracks at all in the phone and things like that. Both are done under the same scenario, right? Desire for a tough phone case, sophistication stage 4, as we're calling out the toughest phone case. And yeah, both are done correctly, but one shows proof that it's the toughest phone case, and one just says it's the toughest phone case. Likely the image ad wouldn't do well, maybe a few purchases here and there, a lot of inconsistent results. And also you would be looking at it from a perspective of, probably had a high frequency as well, because not many people are appealing to that ad. Again, the more people that resonate with an ad, the more people that want to like it, comment on it, and share it, the more people you'll reach and the lower your frequency will be. So likelihood will also probably have like a little bit higher of a frequency on the photo ad, and it'd be really difficult to scale. But it was cheaper to produce, it allowed a quicker test, and it also allowed us to kind of just toss something in the ad account real quick. Now, the dropping from a tall building was more expensive to produce, but likelihood it would do way better in performance because it's actually showing the proof of what you claim. If you claim it's the toughest phone case, then I'm going to show proof that it is the toughest phone case. That's the key lesson here. One is showing proof and the other is not. Not every product needs proof, but a lot of products do. If you make a large claim like the toughest phone case, you need to show proof that's the toughest phone case, not just side-by-side comparisons of like us versus them. You actually need to show proof, and that's what we did in that example right there. That particular video, 10-15 seconds long, it would get a lot more likes, a lot more comments, a lot more shares. It would reach and appeal to more people. It's a lot more entertaining to watch, and guess what? It'd probably do substantially better in terms of performance. Now, it was more expensive to produce, but the expense also greatly increases the ROI that we'll likely achieve right there. That's a comment I see a lot on my YouTube channel, where it's like, I'm selling some product, it's very complex, complicated to sell, and I'm like, well, yeah, you just need a video ad. Then it's like, well, I don't want to spend a lot of money on UGC. Can I just use the same photo from AliExpress that everyone else is using? It's like, well, yeah, if you want to have amateur results and have the same results as everyone else and crying in the comments about it, but if you want to take it to the next level and do what the big dogs are doing that are being able to scale to 6, 7, 8 figures a year, then that's the types of things that you have to go out your way and do, and you have to willing to invest a little bit more. So do you need a photo ad? Do you need a video ad? Well, number one, it comes down to what proof do you need to showcase people that's going to get them to buy your product. Now, typically we'll see more top of funnel type stuff. Your unaware, problem aware, solution aware markets are going to be a lot more videos, where you'll see more of your product aware and aware markets would be a little bit more photos, because we can just showcase like one little thing and that's it. So it also kind of depends on like what stage of market awareness you're targeting. If they've already seen all your stuff, they've seen videos, they're sold on the product, and we just want to show them a discount because it's an aware ad, then all we do is showcase the picture of the product and the discount. If it's like a product aware, I'll probably do like a mix 50-50, just again, depending on the product and depending on what we're trying to communicate to people. Just really depends right there. So should you use a video ad? Should you use a photo ad? At the end of the day, it depends on what you need to showcase. What proof do you need to showcase to people that your product does what you claim? That's the key answer right there. So hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit the like button, hit that subscribe button for new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And if you're interested in me running your Facebook ads, we specifically help brands that want to go from about 100, 250K a month to 7 figures per month. We've helped 4 brands now scale to multiple 7 figures a month. Love to help you out be the next one. If you want to join a group of other marketers that review each other's creatives and improve, their Facebook ad results and have me mentor you, then click the link below to have Nick Terrio mentor you. And if you want to learn exactly how to create creatives that convert and that spend 6 figures or more on Facebook, then click the link below for Nick's Facebook ad course. Thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Nick Terrio. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace out.